Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable use peer-to-peer on Viber. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Viber app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy. Next, you can see the option of use peer-to-peer. Untick it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can disable use peer-to-peer on Viber. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.